10, 9,
All right, today's the day. Last week on November 21st, 22nd, Ljubljana saw its first snow of the year. It was amazing. I'll show you a video of that. And tonight they're actually cutting on the Christmas lights. So I will be there and I'll show you some film from this. It's going to be such a big event. From my understanding, the whole city goes and is a part of this. It's a really big thing and I'm so excited to be able to participate. I have an exam tomorrow morning, which is just the worst. It's Saturday at 9 a.m., which is kind of crazy. But anyways, I'll be going to the lighting tonight with some friends and I'll take a video and show you guys. It should be an amazing time. All right, so I'm walking towards the center now. There are so many pop-up stands that are serving sausage and Yoda and all these traditional Slovenian foods. They have coco no vino, they have chocolada, hot chocolate. They have so many other things as well. So I'm going to show you the entire downtown center area. It's so nice and it's honestly the best time of year, Christmas. And it's so busy. I don't think I've seen the city as busy as it is now, and it's really, really nice. So anyways, I'm going to take you along. Hey, just want to pop in real quick. Please hit the like button below, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and tune in every Sunday for a new video. Thanks, see ya. I'm getting excited because I'm walking past all these stands with the desserts and the cooked wine and the hot chocolate. And it looks amazing. But I have to go to class, so kind of not the best, but this is the busiest street behind me. This is like the main, I'd say the main touristy area of Ljubljana. So if you come, you will likely be on this street here. They have everything, all the restaurants. At night, it kind of turns more into like a drink scene. So you can have a wine or a beer, a hot chocolate, something like this, and just relax and conversate. And the river's right on the other side of the wall. So it's like perfectly in the middle of the city, and yeah, it's really nice. You have the cobblestone streets and it's just so lively, so it makes for a great atmosphere and just it's a relaxing, chill, very awesome vibe. So you'll definitely be here if you come to visit, and you should check it out. It's very nice. Oh, also these restaurants, you see the heaters behind me, I'm passing, they all have these heaters, so it's nice to enjoy a meal by the river. You can sit there and stay somewhat warm, I guess. They have blankets also on the outside chairs, so obviously you won't freeze if you sit there. It's quite nice just sitting by the river with the heater and the blanket. We out here.
Ljubljana. Zdaj pa odštevajmo. 10, 9,
All right, so I'm getting a hot dog with sauerkraut and mustard. It's gonna be 13 euros, which is probably pretty expensive, but I just think it's because it's a Christmas market, so it should be pretty good though. I'm excited, honestly. Okay, so I just got the hot dog. I got sauerkraut, Ivar, onions, and mustard. It's pretty big. It's probably like a foot-long hot dog you would get, maybe not at a ballpark because it's going to be better quality than that. But you know, you get the bigger hot dogs normally at like a ballpark or something in the States. And this one isn't like your normal small, I don't know, hot dog. I guess it sounds funny saying it, but. Anyways, I am looking forward to it. The normal sausage was 10, and then when you add the sauerkraut, it's 13, so it's a little more expensive, as I mentioned, but it should be good. Yeah, so. I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to hold this and record. Okay, I might have just made the biggest mess I've ever made eating a hot dog, and I'll show you. You'll see this picture of the ground beneath me. I couldn't control the sauerkraut, the onions, and all the sauces. It was everywhere. My hands were just absolutely covered. That's why I couldn't film. Kind of a reaction. So, anyways, it was really good. Expensive, yes, but was it worth it? For me, probably. I think I would probably eat that again. If given the chance, which when I say this, I mean I'm going to eat that again because it's only Christmas, like one time a year, you know? So you gotta eat it when you can. So I'll be having that again. There's these like cake balls almost. Were chocolate and they look like donut holes kind of. I'm gonna try those too. And when I'm gonna try those, I don't know. I want them now, but I'm actually really full after that sausage. But yeah, so I'll show you that too. But yeah, so really good. So last week's video I posted about the coffee making, and I received an unbelievable amount of comments correcting my cooking, and I just want to address this issue. I had no intention of improperly accounting for Slovenian coffee making and cooking, so I have been working to fix this problem. This list of people right here, as you can see on the screen, they all pointed out that my coffee making was subpar, if you will. So anyways, I just wanted to address that issue and say I'm working to get better. But this is the busiest street behind me. It's called, don't know actually, I have no idea what it's called, but sorry, I'm setting this down for just a second. I gotta get this napkin out because it's drenched in sauce. Oof.